Welcome back to Love Sense with Chinyere, where love meets wisdom. Today we are talking about something that can be emotionally draining in relationship, the silent treatment. Personally, I believe silent treatment is one of the most painful and terrible things you can do to your partner because it creates distance, emotional confusion, and can slowly kill the connection you both work so hard to build. But the good news is there are healthy ways to deal with it. So in this video, I will be sharing 3 powerful steps you can take if your partner gives you the silent treatment. And trust me, number 3 is the most important one. Number 1, the first thing you should do is acknowledge their feeling and show empathy. See, one of the main reasons men gives the silent treatment is because they feel unheard, misunderstood. Sometimes they don't even know how to express what they feel without turning it to another argument. So instead of reacting defensively, try this approach. Say something like this: I know you are upset and I understand that you might need some time. I just want you to know that whenever you are ready to talk, I will be there to listen. That alone can soften his heart and open door for communication. So as women, we often want to express ourselves immediately, but sometimes the best thing to do is simply listen. When he sees that you are calm and truly trying to understand him, he will feel safer to open up next time instead of shutting down. Number 2, the second step is to give him some space. Men and women process emotions differently. When a man is going through something, he often prefers to be alone, to think it through. But when a woman is upset, she usually wants to talk about it immediately. That's where the conflict happens. So instead of pushing for an instant conversation, give him that breathing space. You can calmly say, babe, I know you might not be ready to talk right now, but when can we talk about this? That way, you are respecting his boundaries and also making it clear that the issue still matters. Here is another thing: how you say things really matters. If your tone is harsh or confrontational, he might pull away even more. But if your tone is calm, gentle, and respectful, you will be surprised how quickly he softens. Number 3. Now, this third step is the most important one: effective communication and emotional maturity. Then after giving him space, and once both of you are calm, come back together and talk, not to attack or blame each other, but coming together to understand and to rebuild. You can say something like this: I really did not like the silence treatment you gave me. It made me feel disconnected from you. Can we talk about what triggers it so that we can handle it better next time? When you express how the silence made you feel without shouting, nagging, or criticizing, you create a safer emotional space for both of you. Remember, communication is not just about talking, it's about listening, understanding, and responding with love and respect. So let's recap. I said the ways you can handle a partner that gives you silent treatment is: number 1, acknowledging their feelings; number 2, give them space; number 3, communicate effectively. Silence treatment shouldn't be used as a weapon in relationship. It should be a reminder that there is something deeper to face. If both of you truly cares, you can always walk through it with maturity and love. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. And remember, where love is, there should always be understanding.